Hello, welcome. Let us have the class on rectilinear figures. Already you have learned about rectilinear figures, what are the properties of parallelograms, properties of rectangles, squares, rhombuses and so on, and also the theorems based on parallelograms. And today you are going to learn about construction of quadrilaterals. Let me explain you how to construct a quadrilateral in different situations. Today few let us learn. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to AD is 6 cm, BC is equal to 3.6 cm, CD is equal to 5 cm and angle BAD is 45 degree. At first you have to read out like this. Then roughly you have to think how to do. Angle BAD is given to you. That means angle is at A. You see here AB is 6 cm, AD is 6 cm. Here no A, here no A. So either AB or AD you have to take as the base. That is how you have to think. Okay, let me take AD because BAD is there. So let me take AD as the base. Rough diagram I am doing. Let me take AD as the base. If AD is 6 cm and BAD 45 degree, AD B somewhere and BAD is 45 degree. So roughly 45 degree, 60, 90 and from 0 1 hour, from 90 1 hour. I am doing the rough figure. This is 45 degree. And from AB is 6 cm. So from A to here give arc that is 6 cm. And BC is 3.6 cm. From B to C 3.6 cm and C is somewhere this side. CD is 5 cm. So from D give an arc of 5 cm. Give an arc of 5 cm. Then BC is 3.6 cm. From here B to C give an arc of 3.6 cm and name it as C. Join BC and CD. This is 5 cm. This is 3.6 cm. This is the rough diagram I have drawn. Children, here also I cannot use the protractor, but I will give you rough idea. BC, we are taking AD 6 cm. Let me think. Let us take this as AD 6 cm, only rough idea I can give you. And BAD 45 degree. Same way, taking A as the center, give an arc. Okay, 60, 120, 90 you are getting. Then from 61 arc, from 91 arc. So this is more or less 45 degree. Okay. 45 degree. And A to B 6 cm. So as per my calculation, from here to here is 6 cm. Okay. So from here, give an arc of 6 cm. This is B 6 cm. Okay. Now from CD is 5 cm. From D to C is 5 cm. So more or less, you are going to get somewhere here 5 cm arc. And B to C 3.6 cm from here to here. Now join CD and also BC. I am not constructing the quadrilateral, but I am giving you rough idea, children. Try to do this. So as per the given instruction, we have done. What is given? AB is 6 cm, AD is 6 cm, angle BAD 45 degree, BC is 3.6 cm, CD is 5 cm. Okay? At last question is construct a quadrilateral. Last you write. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Sometime the question will be given to you like this. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD like this. And measure angle BCD, measure angle ADC like that. You have to measure and write. Okay. Now, let me explain you one more. Here, 4 sides are given to you. 1 angle is given to you. This is how to construct. I explained. Now, if 3 sides will be given to you and 2 angles will be given to you, how to construct? Let me explain. Okay. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 4 cm, CD is also equal to 4 cm. Okay, and 2 angles will be given to you. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. That means 1, 2, 3 sides are given, 2 angles are given. Here angle B, here angle C. So let me take BC as the base. BC as the base. Rough diagram is very important for you. And angle ABC 90 degree, very easy for construction. 60, 120, 90. Okay. This is 90 degree. Angle BCD also 90 degree. So here also construct 90 degree angle. Then BC 4 cm from BC 4 cm. AB, A to B 6 cm. From here to here, given arc of 6 cm, name it as A. C to D is 4 cm. This is also 90 degree. From here, given arc of 4 cm, name it as D. Now join AD. Join AD. If the question asks measure AD, you have to measure the angles and all. Okay. By using the scale only, I can do. Okay. Now, let us construct BC 4 cm. BC 4 cm. BC is 4 cm. At B and C 90 degree angles, let us construct. Similarly here. Sorry children, I am not able to use the router. Here also. Okay. So at B 90 degree angle I have constructed, angle C 90 degree angle constructed. AB is 6 cm. AB is 6 cm. Oh, okay, somewhat. Let me go up to this 6 cm. Okay. As per my this, A I am getting here. Name it as A. CD is 4 cm. CD is 4 cm. C to D. So let us join A and D now. Let us join A and D now. Whenever you join, you should be very careful also. So this is 6 cm. This is 4 cm. So quadrilateral ABCD is constructed. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. ABCD is the required quadrilateral. If something is asked, you have to measure. But in this board and here, I cannot do. If the question is given like that, you can find. Okay. So 2 varieties of construction I taught you today, explained you today. In the next class, some more constructions I will explain you. Okay. Thank you.